Okay, I am Elisabetta Visalberghi, and I'm responsible of the unit of cognitive primatology and of about 30 capuchin monkeys. In our primate center, who is hosted by the Biopark of Rome, we have this amazing colony of tufted capuchin monkeys, a South American species, that, as it happens for us humans, are getting old. And now our population has many individuals that are more than 25-year-olds. We know them since their birth, and we know many things about their cognition, their intelligence, and many other aspects of their life. This is why we are now studying how their performance in cognitive tasks and in their social life changes, or whether it changes with age. So we are comparing what young adult individuals do with what old individuals do. And surprisingly enough, we found very few differences. But let me tell you something about capuchin monkeys, why these monkeys are so special. They are special because even if they are the size of a cat, so a female weighs about 2 kilos, a male 3.5 kilos, 4, well, they live very, very long, up to 50 years of age in captivity. So this is amazing for their small size, and it's also amazing that they have a large brain, their behavior is extremely plastic, they are extremely explorative, and they use tools. Now we know and we discovered that even in Brazil, they use stone tools as our ancestors did and as chimpanzees do in Africa. So they are amazing monkeys. And in fact, their cognitive abilities in many ways resemble those of the chimpanzees. So they are an ideal model to compare their decaying cognitive competence with those that we often observe, but fortunately not always, in humans. And as I was telling you, we tested them in many different tasks. And for example, we discovered recently that their attitude to explore new objects is not so different from that of young adults. Also, in the use of sequential use of tools, they perform rather well. In other tasks, however, we found some small differences. For example, in general, old individuals are less impulsive than young ones. This was a personality study that was done on all our subjects, and that, as I was saying, did not show major differences between adults and young, but the only difference that was really strong was about impulsiveness. In another study that was carried out by Elisabetta and colleagues, something also interesting was found, that old individuals are more, I would say, in quotation mark, patient. So they can deal with delayed reward better than younger individuals. So when confronted with a choice in which there is a small reward that can be taken immediately and a larger reward that can be taken only after a certain period of time, all individuals learn to wait, but old individuals perform better than young ones. So this is a very interesting result. And I think that there are many things that can be done with these monkeys if we keep going and studying them in detail.